Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai YouTuber, selamat datang di channel saya. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan coba berbagi bagaimana caranya membuat ucapan ultah foto dengan menggunakan Adobe Photoshop. Baik, langsung saja. Pertama, teman-teman buat dokumen baru dengan ukuran 20x 25 cm. Selanjutnya teman-teman masukkan satu persatu bahan yang sudah disiapkan di deskripsi video.
With every word coming, I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's...
Selanjutnya, kita seleksi fotonya dengan menggunakan pen tool. Karena proses seleksi memakan waktu cukup lama, untuk itu videonya saya percepat ya guys.
I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud in the face of the hate, see I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face, breathe out of my mouth every word that will make me. Never had a doubt of the life that I'm making. Never had a doubt.
Setelah fotonya diseleksi, selanjutnya teman-teman drag and drop fotonya ke lembar kerja YG kita buat, lalu atur sesuai dengan keinginan kita.
It doesn't matter what you say now. I'm gonna take hold of fate now. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who...
Lalu masukkan bahan pita dan atur sesuai dengan keinginan kita.
I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous.
Selanjutnya masukkan tempat foto polaroidnya dan atur seperti di video.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Selanjutnya, klik pada layar Polaroid dan seleksi kotak Polaroidnya dengan menggunakan Magic Wand Tool.
Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta...
Buat layar baru lalu gunakan Paint Bucket Tool untuk memberikan warna sesuai dengan keinginan kita.
Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in. Yeah.
Selanjutnya, klik pada layar foto 1 lalu masukkan fotonya.
I'm
Lalu klik kanan pada fotonya dan pilih Create Clipping Mask.
I want the real stuff, everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once, I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun, shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it, never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving, yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Sekian tutorial dari saya, semoga bermanfaat. Jangan lupa tinggalkan like, komen dan subscribe agar selalu update video terbaru dari channel ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.